Good morning. Well, it's not even the morning anymore. It's actually, as you can see, 11:28. We actually just did another job. It's kind of behind me, but we were working on steel rolling doors at this grocery store. We can't record inside, never can. We do a lot of work for them, but they don't let us record, so I apologize. I would have a lot more videos. But right now I am heading over to a customer to do a garage door spring replacement. I didn't answer the call. I do not know what I'm going into. All I know is the spring is broken. I have to be there at 12:15 and my ETA is 12:12, so I have to kind of go right now. So that being said, I will see you guys at the job site. Alrighty, so we are all set to record. Like I said, I just got a spring replacement and a cable replacement. So I'm gonna go in there, measure everything up. I don't know if I've shown you guys this new scale yet. We got this new scale. I think I've shown you guys this scale. What I can see on there, this door is not very heavy. I was able to pick it up by hand. The reason I'm replacing the cable is because right here, it is rusted out. I am kind of in a time crunch. She has to leave at 1:45. It is 12:30. So let's see if we can get this job done before she gets out of here. I think I should be able to if I don't lollygag around. And ideally, I don't think I do. These are smaller springs, so I'm probably gonna have to cut springs. So something that happened was, with this deck, when I hit somebody, everything pushed forward. Oh, it's probably windy, so I'll tell you later. So I gotta bring this door down. All right, got that. I'm gonna take this off, put that on there. 31.5. With this, say 52.5. That's what we'll go with. We'll go with 52.5. Let me check what it's supposed to be. 52.5 times 5, because it's a multiplier, it's 262.5. 262.5. You're supposed to get 225 2-inch by 24 inches. Alrighty. Now I've had a guy tell me I'm a rookie because I can't tell that those are 12-inch radius without looking at them, which has to be the silliest thing to say because it never hurts to double check anything. And I'd rather be 100% correct. I don't know why would somebody not double check. Sure, I can see it's 12-inch, but I also like to know 100%. So that's why I measure them. So like I said, it needs to be, how did that change? Did that change? I thought that said 225. Did it not? Interesting. Well, I thought it said 225. Maybe I'm, nope, 234. 234 by 25, so okay. So I got my, oh wow. There is so much water in here. That can't be good. Let me make some holes. Um, 234 31s and 234 31s. Alrighty. So I just gotta cut these down and we will be set. Alright. Second cone off. 25. Perfect. Awesome. Alright. One made. Oh no. That can't be good. That's probably why there's so much water in it. 25. Alrighty, all good there. And then we spin it. Cool. One spring made. Alright. Both springs are made. Let's clean up, grab my cables, and get this job finished up real quick. I'm gonna try something that somebody said, if able to. I'm gonna take them all off on one side, springs off on one side so I don't have to move left and right, and see if it's faster. Alright, got this. It doesn't allow me to, so I'll have to do it side by side. No big deal. Alright. Awesome. Alright, so we have one spring with tension on it, which means I'm going to do something called back winding them. I'm going to use this second ladder just to make things quicker because we're on a time constraint here. Alright. And cable off. Okay, cable's on now. Cable can go. Alright. One cable on. Alright. That's off. That's off. Alright. These bearings look new and everything, so I don't need to replace them. I already checked them prior to putting on the camera, so we will see. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Butter. Cool. Nice. Cool. I'll go there. Hold. Good. Good. All right, those are all good. Now it's cable time. First, I am going to vice grip the door down, set the cable, and then we are in business. Springs are stuck right now, so I'm fighting the springs as well. No big deal. Alright, let's see if we can get these springs to kind of relax. There we go. Huh, that'll be fine. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Cool. Let's add some tension on this bad boy. run up on me. Sits in the middle. It's a little bit fast. Just a wee bit too fast. Are you gonna be nicer? There. Now we're gonna be nice. Okay. Just gotta adjust the force. I think it was too heavy based on the old settings. Let me fix that up there. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. I'm gonna tighten everything, lube everything, and we should be set. Alright, just gotta put lube on everything, clean everything up, and we are good. Okay. Yeah, so the old springs you had on your door, they were not the correct springs. So, 2 brand new springs. Like, these were too light for the door, so I'm guessing if you were to take it off, you wouldn't, it would have been really heavy to lift up. So that's why I was trying to close it and wouldn't go down. It's because like this thing has its own like force detection, and it goes down, it detects like, oh, the force is wrong, something's different here, so I'm gonna go back up. So all I have to do is reset that and then everything's perfect. If I was to take that off by hand, basically could use 2 fingers and just move the door up and down. We are all good there. And then I'll get everything lubed up, I'll get everything out of here so you can get on your way. Alrighty, so I am just gonna get cleaned up and I'll see you guys in the truck. Alrighty, another spring replacement down. That is the rest for today. It is already 2 o'clock or something. I apologize for not being able to talk so much. I was really focusing on trying to get it done fast. I appreciate all the comments, all the likes. If you're not already subscribed, I would recommend it. I appreciate you all. I appreciate you watching. The customer was happy, and that's all that matters. Thank you again so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.